Hey folks, welcome to the Honeycomb Hideout. I have a really awesome knife made in the USA. It is a Smith & Wesson SW-304 number 538 anniversary Bowie, 144th anniversary Bowie. It's the founder's knife. It's got this really awesome, very intricately basket weave sheath, the big S&W logo on it, big S&W snap, silver stainless steel snap, made in USA. It's a good wide, big old sheath, leather sheath. I restored it, restored the knife. The knife is in the original plastic wrap, as well as the original blade protector. And I may have polished it up a little bit. It's got dark walnut grips, lanyard hole. It's got the bands, the very thick blade, very wide blade, and this thing is just razor sharp. And it's got the Founders number 538, Smith & Wesson handcrafted in the USA, Smith & Wesson. It's different colors. You gotta hold it in a certain light. It's blue and black and gold. And Smith & Wesson Founders, Smith & Wesson 1852-1996 144th anniversary. And it's a big honking knife, and it looks beautiful. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And it is razor sharp. Nice thick knife, nice thick bar stock. Steel they used. Polished up the blade, polished up the hand guard, redid the wood, redid the leather sheath. Looks awesome in this leather sheath too. It's new, so it's kind of tight. I mean, it's not new, it's new old stock. It's mint. Put it to you that way. But it looks pretty awesome in here. And that's all I've got.